Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change Facebook account on Monopoly Go. Okay, so when you open the application, you will be able to see this three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Just tap on it and then click on settings. Now you will have to click on the connect account. And then first, in order to change your Facebook account, you will have to disconnect the connected account of your Monopoly Go. And then go to your Facebook application and tap on your profile picture and then tap on the gear icon. Then scroll down until you see the apps and websites. Just tap on it and you will see the Monopoly Go. Okay, just tap on it and then you'll be able to see the remove option. So you will just have to remove that application that is connected to your Facebook account and then go back to the Monopoly Go application. Okay, that's right. And then as you can see, the your Facebook account and your Monopoly Go is no longer connected. So now just tap in the play with friends and then connect another account to your application. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.